First of all, I'd like to thank you, Frank, for being able to come here and interview me. I would like to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all Niueans abroad and all our friends abroad. I think it's an important time to reflect what we have done during the last year. I think in my experience as a politician, this last year has been the greatest year for Niue in terms of development. The development of fisheries, the development of Nonu and Manila, the development of new homes, and the development of government buildings and sea approaches, and the repair of schools for village projects. I think too there are many people who are traveling in and out of Niue, and also Niueans returning to Niue to have a look at this point in time what Niue is like. I think we are fortunate at this point in time because we have a good airline service and it's reasonably cheap. Very soon we'll be signing the agreement with Air New Zealand for 3 years instead of 1 year and then review. This time round we'll sign an agreement that every 3 years we will renew it. So we look forward to that agreement, and also we are hoping that very soon we will establish a second flight, a midweek flight for the future. The reason, as I said, why the people are traveling is because they have the money, and also it's reasonably cheap to fly at the present moment. So you can expect more people traveling and more tourists coming to the country and more development. There are buildings going up and helping to try and increase productivity in tourism, and also general buildings like the whole of government building in which you house all the public servants. You have the sea approaches like in Avasele and Namakulu. You have old schools which are being renovated like in Lakepa and Avasele. And there are individual homes, and people are coming from abroad to repair their homes. So the future looks reasonably bright, or looks absolutely bright as far as I'm concerned. And I hope that you people who are abroad will come back and help us develop our little country. Next year will be a very big year because there will be a meeting in August for all the leaders in the Pacific. The presidents, prime ministers will be coming here to have a meeting. About 400 people will be here, and there will be a lot of things to prepare for next year, and I hope you people out there will come and help your villages, your families and your countries to host these leaders. So, as I said, the future looks bright in terms of business and in terms of good lifestyle and a peaceful place to live in. Already there are a number of people who are exploring the possibilities of setting up business here in Niue. And once again, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.